Okay, so welcome to the Rampart walk. We're going to walk up the walls of Jerusalem that were built during the Ottoman period. Jadi Bapak dan Ibu, selamat datang. Kita akan berjalan di Tembok Kota Yerusalem Lama. Ayo. Okay, so wow, we need to scan it to go in. There we go. Very good.
Here.
Thank you, dear Bella. So, dear Bella scanned my ticket. Thank you, Bella.
You're welcome.
You're going to appear on my video.
Okay.
Okay. Where are we going? Just tell
We're
everybody.
going to walk on the wall.
We're going to walk on the wall, exactly. We're taking this part from over here at the Jaffa gate area all the way to Damascus gate. Okay. Okay, Bapak Ibu yang terkasih dalam Tuhan, hari ini kita akan berjalan di atas Tembok Kota Yerusalem Lama. Kita mulai dari gerbang Yope dan kita akan selesai perjalanan kita jalan kaki di atas Tembok Kota Yerusalem di gerbang Damascus. Okay, join us. Welcome from Jaffa Gate area to Damascus Gate. So I am joined here on the Rampart Walk with Whitworth University. How are you all? Are you excited? Yes! So yeah, we started over here at the Jaffa Gate area. Kita mulai di sini di gerbang Yope, Bapak Ibu. Oke, dan kita akan lanjut dan naik. Yeah?
You said this is where you went to school?
Yeah.
Your old stomping grounds?
So over here is the Collège des Frères. That was actually my school. This is the high school I went to. Wait, let's wait for them all. There we go. Okay, look at the nice views that we can see from here. This is the King David Hotel, Hotel Bintang Lima, Hotel Raja Daud, King David Hotel. And the municipality of Jerusalem is over here. And you see over here, I love Jerusalem, and the municipality of Jerusalem. Yeah. So this is the area of, oh wow, what a nice Christmas tree.
Sorry.
It's all right. Wow, look at this view over here. There's a mosque. This is the new gate over here. And there was a very nice Christmas market over here at the new gate area. Okay.
So if the enemies were coming at us, we'd be...
All right, look at the Notre Dame Hotel. Wow, that's the Notre Dame Hotel. A beautiful view of the Notre Dame Hotel, and a beautiful view of the statue of Mary holding Jesus. Oh wow, we are coming to the Damascus Gate area. And we are coming to the Muslim quarter, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the dome over there. This is the dome of the Holy Sepulchre Church. Do you see it? Gereja Makam Kudus di sini Bapak Ibu.
No, Herod would be a chameleon, so he can change colors to whoever he needs to befriend. Go right there.
Hello. مرحبا. مرحبا. كيف حالكم مبسوطين؟ تمام. Let's say, are you تمام؟ تمام. Oh, this is an amazing. We're gonna stop over here in a little bit and we're gonna talk about this beautiful place. Oh, this is a beautiful view over here. The Dome of the Rock. Jadi Bapak dan Ibu, kita sekarang berada persis di atas gerbang Damascus. So we are approaching the Damascus Gate area, the beautiful landmark of Jerusalem, the Dome of the Rock. Well, this is the Damascus Gate over here. Wow. So this is the Muslim quarter over here. Bagian Islam ada di sini Bapak dan Ibu. Ada 4 bagian di Kota Yerusalem Lama. Ini bagian Islam. Bagian terbesar adalah bagian Islam. Yang kedua adalah bagian orang Kristen. Bagian Yahudi yang ketiga dan bagian Armenia yang keempat. Okay, so this is the Damascus Gate area. Gerbang Damascus.
Big Damascus Gate, y'all. He's going down the stairs, y'all.
Oh, wow. Yes, the Muslim quarter, and look at this over here. Wow, this is a nice area. We're exactly above Damascus Gate, ladies and gentlemen. How cool is that? How cool is that view? Okay. So this is a beautiful area over here at the Damascus Gate. We're just above the Damascus Gate. We're just above the souk or the marketplace over here. You can find anything that you want over here. Food, drink, clothes, shoes, anything, coffee. Oh wow, look at this beautiful view. And this is the old city of Jerusalem. And people wonder why the old city of Jerusalem is so important. Look at the views that you're looking at over here. Look at the houses, the neighborhoods.
Tonight? During our free time. Or is it too far away?
Right now or another time? I would say right now.
So we walked all the way from up there behind the Latin Patriarchate building. Yeah, of course the Jaffa gate is that way, a little bit west. Yeah, and then we walked all the way through here, coming down this way, coming down to the Damascus way, and there's a continuation, by the way, to the Ramparts walk. You will finish very close to the Herod's Gate as well, and very close to Lion's Gate. So if you continue this way, if you want to continue, you can continue going all the way down Herod's Gate and down the Lion's Gate. You can finish very close to Lion's Gate, which is the eastern gate to the old city of Jerusalem.
That's where I finished last summer.
Yeah?
All the way.
Cool. Wow. Okay, so from the Damascus Gate area, I would like to wish you a very good day, a blessed day, and see you on another episode. And always cruise with Sal. Bye!